Although Wikibuy compensates me if you get Wikibuy using the links provided, my review of the product and all of my opinions are my own. Hey everyone, it's Grant from MillennialMoney.com, and I'm excited to show you Wikibuy, the Google Chrome extension that's designed to help you save money easily when you're shopping online by helping you find a lower price for the product across the entire internet. It's also available on Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. And so I've partnered with Wikibuy to show you how it works and how easy it is to simply get the extension and start saving money on products that you need to buy online. So right now I'm outside the city and away from my personal office, and I need a portable printer. And so I'm going to start from scratch and show you how easy it is to get the extension and look for a cheaper price for the portable printer that I need to buy. So just go to wikibuy.com and you can click simply create an account later and select add Wikibuy to Chrome right here. It's completely free. And then an onboarding sequence is going to pop up, and I'll just set up an account here. Enter my zip code, New York. Yes, I have an Amazon Prime account, and I'll enter my email and create a simple password. And you can literally create an account in 30 seconds. Set the terms and conditions. Pick all the cars. Perfect. And I estimate I'd probably buy, let's say, 7 things online per month, and it estimates that I can save up to $511. So we're going to continue. I'm going to pick a few of my favorite stores. Let's just say eBay and Walmart, and I'll show you how easy it is. Click Activate the Chrome extension, and now click Try Codes. Wikibuy can show you coupon and promo codes for the things that you already shop for online. And now I'm going to continue, and let's finish the setup here. And now the Chrome extension has shown up here in the right corner of my browser, and it's just that simple. So whenever I want to shop for something, I click the Chrome extension. I can search for the product I'm looking for, an HP portable printer. And then what's going to show up are the results on wikibuy.com, and the printer I'm looking for is the OfficeJet. Let's see. Do they have the 200? Here, we'll go with this right here. The HP OfficeJet 200 Mobile is the one I was interested in. And just a quick click, and it's gathering price data. And just from using Wikibuy, I can see that I can save almost $100 buying the printer on eBay new. So $239.51 versus on Amazon, it'd be $326.51. So I've been looking at this printer now for the past few days, and the price has definitely gone up on Amazon because probably demand. And so to save $87 here, I'm just going to click through now, and it's going to direct me to the exact eBay listing, which includes free shipping. So for 200, and yes, it's a good result for $219, which is actually a little bit cheaper. I'm able to buy the printer that I want, and Wikibuy found it for me completely for free by searching online for a cheaper price. So just literally in 30 seconds, installing the extension at wikibuy.com and searching for my printer all in one spot with the extension, I was able to find a cheaper price for the HP portable printer. So to learn more, check out wikibuy.com or click the link below. Hope you check it out and start saving money online.